I'm going to make a video tutorial on putting components into a Revit house. So architectural template. We're going to start with the walls. Architectural wall. Choose the type of wall you'd like. Any is fine. And I'm going to make sure that I have it at level 2, up to level 2 with my base constraint at level 1. Going to put in my walls at a decent size, 27 feet. If I zoom in, I can go more precise with my measurements. I'm just going to make a square. And I go to modify, and that'll get out of there. You can also hit escape. I want to put my floor in. Since I have a square room, I can use the boundary line. I'm going to choose my floor finish. Zooming in, just click my boundary line. Make sure that the pink is on the outside. The pink is not on the outside here, so I'm going to use my arrows. An arrow, just click on it, and that brings it all the way around the outside. And then my green check mark, and that's my floor. Going back to architecture, if I want to put interior walls in, I can go back to wall, and you just kind of set it on the midpoint, decide where you want it, and draw it in. And that will create interior walls. Hit escape or modify, and you can go in and do your doors, your windows, your components. I like to do my components first. You go to load family, you can choose your casework is your cabinets. You're going to use furniture and specialty equipment most often, and plumbing. Plumbing is your bathroom, furniture is your sitting, your storage, your beds, TVs, TV stands. So I want to show you how to put a TV stand in. Just a second. If you use the view, if you have a list and you want to see a picture, you can just click on it. That'll show you a picture. Or you can go to thumbnails, and that'll show you what you have available here. So I'm going to put a couch in the space bar. We'll turn it. If I want it at an angle, then if I choose that, I can go here to rotate. And if I want this at an angle, here it's even, and then I want it at an angle, that will turn it for me. And I want to go and put in a TV. So I'm going to go to furniture, TV stand, space bar to turn it. And then I'm going to go put my TV in. I have a flat screen TV. I can choose the size here. If I click on the TV screen, and then I have my different sizes. I'm going to turn it. Now, if I leave it like this, it's going to be on the floor. If I see the offset here, this is 0 feet 0 inches. That means it's on the floor. But I don't want it on the floor. I want it up onto the TV stand. So I'm going to change my offset. I'm not real sure how big my TV stand is. So I'm going to try that. And then I'm going to go to 3D view and have a look at it. So I'm going to go to view, 3D, and looks like it's a little too high. So I'm going to change that. And did that do it? Still a little high. And 1 feet 8 inches. About right. So that puts it on the TV stand. So if I want to put my view in color, down below there's a detail level. I can go to fine, And then next to that is the graphic display option. It can do realistic, consistent, wireframe, any of those will work. And that will change it so that it looks like it's in color. Okay. So I have some furniture in. Alright, if I want to go back to level 1 floor plan, go back to my floor plan. Now I'm going to put more furniture in, go to architecture, component. Furniture is where your bed is. You can choose the size of bed here. Again, spinning it with the space bar. More plumbing, if I want to put a bathroom in here. Now, if I see I have a bed again, now I already have a bed. So if I go and try to find a bedroom again later, it's not going to show up. So because it's already in my properties. So if I want a TV later on, then I just go to properties and find the TV. I don't have to go to load family again. So my fixtures, MEP fixtures, your sink is in lavatories. That's the sink that has all the components. Otherwise, you're just going to have a sink without the base. So it's just easier to put the sink in that has the base. So you're going to go to lavatories for that. That's in plumbing. MEP, fixtures, and then you have your showers, water closet, that is where your toilet is. So you can pick your toilet. And then I want a shower. And you can choose whichever one you'd like. I prefer this corner one. That's just me. Okay. And then I want a door for my closet, so I'm going to go to doors, not components. So I'm going to go to doors. I'm going to look in residential. And so this doesn't really show me what kind of door I want. So I have to go to view or list for this one. And I'm looking for pocket door or sliding door. That's going to give me the most space. Now this is going to ask me which size door I want. So I don't want a really big one, so I'm going to go with the 4 foot. And that will put that in there for me. I could also do that for my bathroom door since it's in a master bedroom. So I lost my door. I'm going to go back to door. And I don't have to go back to load family because it's right here. So I'm just going to pick my door up here and put it in there. Okay. So now if I want a door to get into my room, I can choose one that's here. Okay. And you can choose how you want it to swing with the space bar. And now I want windows. So I'm going to go back to architecture, put some windows in. I don't like those windows, so I'm going to go to load family, windows. And I'm going to go back to thumbnail and choose the window I like. Okay. What else do I want here? If I wanted, say, a kitchen or a refrigerator in my bedroom, and you go to load family, that's under specialty equipment, domestic, and then you have your kitchenettes in here. Again, space bar. And okay, now I want a table to do my homework. I'm going to go to furniture, tables, and I can pick one that has chairs already. And if I don't want that size, I can go here and it'll give me different choices. If I want to see it, I'm going to go to View, 3D, and there is my room. Okay. So that is a tutorial on how to build a bedroom.